Hello, in the last video I discussed about how to model the wardrobe, a simple one, and now I'm going to explain you how to model the TV unit. And here I want to use some of the additional tools like component, group, copies. So we already know how to do copy and same as well the mirror. Okay, so these of all I have to use now, and in the same way in the next video, I will show you how to download the textures and how to download the 3D models also. Clear? So let's start our modeling. So for that first I am opening my SketchUp. So this is my one. Here first I want to draw the a wall. So for that I am going for front view. Okay. So here I want to draw a rectangle firstly. So I want to draw it as 10 feet, comma 10 feet. So this is my work. Clear? Now I want to create my TV unit here only. And if you require any cells, if you want any uh, design models, okay, so you can go with that. So firstly I want to divide the portion here. So which portion I want to give it for designing, which portion I have to give for cells, and I have to keep some space for my TV. Okay, TV placing. So for that first here I'm going with tape. So here horizontal it have 10 feet and same as well vertical 10 feet. So here I'm taking uh, 2 feet. Second. Okay. So I just consider the 2 feet here, and from this also 2 feet. Next from bottom first I want to leave 1 feet for empty space. Above this I want to create my cells for cells. So I will go with 1 feet again. Okay, take one more feet, 1 feet. Okay, I just want to leave feet from the bottom. Clear? Easy to take anything from the self. Okay, so this is my self portion. So here I will place my TV. Here if you want to create any cells you can, otherwise you can give it as a uh, design or new model, whatever it will be. Clear? So what I am doing here, first in this place I want to keep any one of the simple design, and here I want to model the cells. Here too I want to create some of the cells. In this portion I drop the TV part. Okay, so for that first what I want to do, so I will go for line. This is my one portion and this is another portion. Clear? So at the bottom I have this one. So for this I will go for rectangle from here to here. Clear? Next, erase all of them. Now, so I just want to model now. So firstly I will go for this portion. So here what I said, I just want to create some design part. So for that what I am doing, I am taking copy of this. Okay, my base point. See, I am holding control. I'm just clicking on control. So this is my copy of model portion. Now create any one of the design, whatever it should be. Okay, I will go for simple one. So for that, I just want to draw a rectangle. So I want to give the dimensions of 1 inch, 1 comma 1. No, it's too small. So check. Okay, is it enough for that? So here, first I want to convert this. First I want to move it from here to some other place. Okay. Why I'm separating these off wall elements means easy to design if I did any mistake while modeling in this portion. Okay, I'm unable to recome back that one. If I go for undo, in that case what happened, I just remove what I designed before that. Otherwise I will go for erase by mistakenly. If now I want to erase this portion, but by mistakenly if I erase this one, I will get too difficult to create this again. Okay, for it was a reason I'm splitting every portion separately. I'm choosing every portion separately. After that only I'm go for modeling. Okay, so now I'm using eraser to erase this unwanted portion. Clear? So first I want to create this as a group. Fine. Now next, so this is my one. I just go for press pull from here to the same height. So here too, I convert it as a group. Right click, make a group. Now move it. Move. So it's my base point here. Now take the copy. So from here to I want to create some more in between these two objects. So for that, what I am doing, divided by 5, otherwise 7. See how I get. Easy to model. Now what should I do? Just select this of all. Hold control and select all of them and go for move. So this is my base point. So I just want to keep it here. So this portion is completed. Okay. Now, so I have to create the cells here and same as well here. Okay. Next, I just want to take the same piece. So here we have the same one. So first, I want to divide it. So first I go for explode, right click and go for export. Now, so here I'm choosing offset 1 inch, enter. Next, move. Oh, this is my base point. See, here I am moving, I get a complete portion. Right? Hold control. So now I'm keep it at the bottom. So I want a 4 or 5 cells, otherwise 3 cells only. Divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 I have, right? By again. So again I want to select it. Move. Control. Divided by 3. See, I got it. Now, so I have to give the thickness for this. So for this, what I want to do. So from here to 0.5 inch. Again here to here, 0.5 inch. If you go for specific dimension, in that case we have to use like this. So line. Okay. Erase these two. Select these two lines and go for copy. So here I am selecting at the midpoint here. Then only we get the exact value. Okay, exact thickness we get. Okay, so I'll go for erase. Clear? Now, next, here give press pull. So I am picking at this portion. So how much you require? I just go for 9 inches. I think it's enough. And next, if I double click on this, we will get it automatically. So this is my self. So I will go for simple modeling one, not the exact one. Okay, just simple one I am doing here. Clear? Next, so I want to convert this as a group. So these are the groups, and same as well it should be a group. Again move. It's my base point. So this is my portion. And the same process I have to follow at the bottom also here too. Click, move. So base point. Give control to take the copy. Clear? The same one what I did for self. So same thing I am repeating here. Offset. Offset of 1 inch. Next, divide this surface into so how many selves you require. So it depends on you, depends on the model, and same as well requirement. Same thing I'm doing. Move. So here I'm dividing the surface into the 3, same 1, 3, and next the same thing. Here we want the thickness, right? So for that, here to here 0.5 inch. That once again. Here to here 0.5 inch, and again 0.5 inch. Now go for erase, select by holding control and give move. I'm selecting at the center and click on control to take copy, and here too. Okay, next go for erase in the two positions. Now we have to do press pull. Okay, so this is our press pull. If you require, go for 6 inches, 9 inches, otherwise 1 feet. So it's completely depends on your requirement. So I will giving 1 feet. The same thing here too. So it was the cells what we required. But see here I'm not designing, I'm not modeling any doors for this, because if I draw any doors, then we can't see the difference between these two. When we go for textures, in that case only we can differ the selves and same as well selves doors also. Okay, so for that it was the reason. Okay, so here I'm directly convert it as a group. Again move, so it's our base point. See here I won't uh, here I won't erase my border lines because they are the initial part for us. Okay, to take the copy, otherwise to move that object in the original place. Okay, they are too helpful. Next here I'm placing exactly at this part. So this is my portion, and next I have to draw a TV here. So for that TV also, if you want to draw yourselves, it depends on you. Okay, I just want to take a copy of this, move and taking copy. So this is my portion. So where you want to drop your uh, TV portion, where you want to place your TV, just in that place just draw a rectangle, whatever it will be, where it will be. So I just want to draw a rectangle. I just go for sample, not that much exactly. Okay, so now take the copy of this, move, copy. Why I am taking the copy of this means I think it helpful in the further. Okay, so it's my TV. So firstly I just take the fillet of it. I just go for art. Again, so one, yeah. Now take the offset of it. Okay, 1 inch. Next, go for press pull. 1 inch, and this is our screen part. Okay, So to show the difference, I just apply the sample materials here. Okay, firstly I want to keep it move. So first I want to convert it as a group, then only I will keep it exactly. So move. Is my midpoint. So I keep exactly on the midpoint only. Again, I want to move it to the screen. Move. So it my here. If you want to move it downwards also, you can move it. But here you won't see where is TV, where is self, and what is about our model also. So for that, what I'm doing, I just want to apply the general textures. So I'll go for materials here, and next here I want to choose some. Then the once again some patterns. Good. So I just want to select them and dropping to our, just showing the difference. Okay. And next, how to show the cupboard. Yeah. So these also cupboard, right? So applying same one. Okay. So here I have the TV. So for that, I just want to show colors. I'm going for colors. For wall, I'm giving normal to show the difference. And next, I'm applying black for TV frame. So this is our TV, but here, so one more thing. So here I want to apply ash for this. See, this is my TV unit. So it was a simple process how to model a TV unit. Here it was a example to you. If you have some different ideas, everyone have their own model. Okay, their own idea how to create them. Okay, so it was the one of the basic initial step for modeling a TV unit. Just see, and if you have any doubts in this, you can ask me, and same as well drop a message in the comment section. I will explain you detail about this. Okay, thank you and bye bye.